Welcome to One Chemistry. In this video, we are going to see how to count alpha and beta particles in nuclear reaction. Every nuclear reaction contains mother nucleus as well as daughter nucleus. In chemistry terms, reaction and product. Here I shown A as a mother nuclei, B as a daughter nuclei, and you have alpha and beta also evolved. Alpha mean helium nucleus, that is 2He4. Beta mean electron. If you write charge and mass, it is -1 E0. How we can count how many alpha and beta particle evolved in the reaction? We are going to see a formula and solve it with example. Here formula for x and y, that is how many alpha and beta can be found through a formula, that is x mean number of alpha particle, which is equal to mass of A, that is mother nuclei, mass of B, that is daughter nuclei, whole divided by 4. Here you should know normal notation. Here m mean mass number, z mean atomic number. So if you subtract the mass of B from A divided by 4 mean you get number of alpha particle. How you find beta particle? That equal to y. Formula is 2x minus whole bracket ZA minus ZB. First you should find the x, that is number of alpha particle. Then only you can find B, that is beta particle. Here you have nuclear reaction 92 uranium 238, that is our A. Product is lead, which is 82 Bb 206. You should find number of alpha and beta particle, that is x and y respectively. The formula for x is mass of A minus B whole divided by 4. Mass of A is 238, mass of B is 206. If you subtract it, you have 32 by 4, which gives 8. So, number of alpha particles are 8. Then beta particle, which is y equals 2x minus whole bracket ZA minus ZB. 2x mean 2 multiplied by 8. ZA, that is mass number of A is 92. Mass number of B is 82. If you simplify it, you have 16 minus 10, that equals 6. So number of alpha particles are 8, beta particles are 6. So this is the simple formula. Do more problem and understand the concept better.